now I turn it off and start with disassembling the notebook. Okay, let's look on the bottom side. So here you can see the DVD or DVD or Blu-ray, whatever storage is already taken out, and the battery is also not anymore inside. Remember the first rule: don't watch to my key and copy it. Don't do that. So, in this model you can see you can get into the motherboard part without to take out any screws here on this part. So for me, this kind of engineering is very, very smart and very good, because if you want to make a RAM upgrade or a HDD or SSD update, or if you want to disconnect the BIOS battery, you can do it without a screwdriver, you know. So you don't need a special equipment or any equipment for it. You need only the part which you want to upgrade. So here you can see it's the right side, it's closed. It's the left side. You can take out the cover. This is for battery, this is here for the cover. And now you push it back in this direction. You can see it will open. Okay, what we can see here, as I said, you don't need a screwdriver to access to this part of the notebook. So that's why I think this design here is very clever, and you can save a lot of time with this kind of notebook. So you can access to the fan, you can clean it, you can access to the RAM, you can access to the HDD. Here you can see the BIOS battery. If you have a problem with the notebook, maybe you need to have disconnect the BIOS battery cable. Also you can here replace the wireless LAN module with a new one, or when it's defect you can replace it. So yeah, this is very helpful. Okay, now we can try to